Hey guys, Robertson Family Racing Pigeons. This is James. So, just thought I'd give you guys a quick update of a few things that are going on. All right, so here's the first round. Thought I'd take a little video right before we get them boxed up and shipped to the AU race. That one right there is Unbreakable. So that's the bird that was from the broken mangled egg. And boy, am I glad I saved her, because she is a beauty. She handles really well. Really like her. And that one right there, this is kind of a smoky blue bar. That's her nestmate. So I'm excited about those two. One of those is probably going to go to the regular AU race. The other one will go to the junior race. That one, right there in the middle with kind of the faint bar, that one's going to the AU race. So yeah, pretty excited here. This white bird, it'll be in the junior race. That's Graham's bird. This black one is Ian's bird, also going to the junior race. This one also handles really well. That one is out of 836, and Athena, our Macaroni hen. And I think that's the nestmate. Yep. So yeah, we're excited. It'll be fun. I think our boys are gonna have a fun time with the junior race. It's pretty exciting. Unbreakable. She's a beauty. Okay, come on in, Graham. We're going to continue putting on little clip-on bands with our phone number. So if these guys get lost during training, you might be able to get them back. Alright. This guy is one of my favorites. Cock. He's going to be good. Okay, let's show these guys. He's a good bird. Really well built. He's out of Athena and 836. Okay. Put a little band on there. Clip it. There it goes. Nice job, dude. Okay, I'll get the next band. And I'll get the next bird. Deal?
Sure.
Awesome. Here's Graham's beautiful bird.
Best one.
Best one, you think?
Yes.
Who's the mother of this one?
Djibouti and another guy.
Lone Star.
Oh, yeah.
Got that one on? Pretty cool. Want to hold him? One last time.
One last time. Wow, Dad.
Yep, he's looking good. I think that's too close.
Yeah, I think you want to do
Okay, just open up your hands, let
Oh
them down in your
my
hands. Yeah, just like that. Okay, 2 more.
it. Well, good, because you have 2 more of these things.
Oh, well, that's perfect. All right, really like this guy. Super strong bird. Super strong. Sorry, this one's actually maybe my favorite. I don't know. He's just built awesomely. No offense, Graham. I like this bird better than your bird, even.
Excuse me, what is so special about it?
He's just super strong.
Says who?
Says his muscles.
Says his fake muscles.
Fake abs. Those are real abs right there. See that? Real abs.
No, it's just drawn on with permanent marker. I already told you that.
Yep. That one is a cock out of Flyboy.
You disappoint me, Dad.
I know.
You very disappoint me. I don't know if that made sense or not.
Okay. All right. Last one. Another Flyboy and Fat Bottom Girl. This is Unbreakable.
Unbreakable.
Unbreakable. This was the egg. It was broken. It was smashed.
Dun, dun,
So
dun.
this is a special little bird.
A special
Little bird right there. Look at that.
Oh my gosh! Breaking glass! Run!
Shh, don't yell. I'll do it.
Wow.
I'll do it. Sometimes it's hard to get those to play.
Peace was never an option.
Okay, there we go. Sweet. Oh, what a sweet little bird this one is. Oh yes, oh yes. All right. Unbreakable. We're gonna set you right there. All right, cool. Thanks for your help, Graham. Okay, here I am at the AU convention race drop off. There are my birds in the crate. We're gonna get them in this, get them all lined up right here and wish them luck. Do us proud, guys. Come on. Okay, here they are. Our AU birds. These first 2 cages. Good luck, little guys.